Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you one of my favorite side dishes. And of course, here, as you can see the protein with the feta cheese. Feta cheese is made from sheep's milk, so a lot of people out there have a hard time digesting cow's milk. So sheep's milk is one of those that's easy to digest, a very good source of protein. Beets, I can't say enough about beets. It helps lower blood pressure. Again, liver detoxification, provides iron. So one of my favorite root vegetables. And then of course I have parsley here. You can use cilantro. They both do the same thing. They have anti-cancer properties and they help aid in detoxification. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with chopping up the beets. It might get a little messy, but hey, it's all good. So I like to chop these up into discs, right? This is very good, especially for the holidays. And not only does it look pretty, but it tastes very good. So I just cut them into disc sizes and kind of lay it out on a nice pretty plate. There we go, almost there, almost there. Some are a little thicker than others, but hey, who cares? All right. There you get your red. And then next up, you just lay it out just like that. Really simple. And then the next thing I like to do is just sprinkle them with a little bit of Maldon salt. So latest, what I have found with salt, do not use Celtic salt. So Celtic salt has been known to have lots of heavy metals, and this is the research lately. You can actually look it up yourself, and Maldon is, I found this at Costco, and it's one of the purest forms of sea salt. They do not have, or have very little to none, heavy metals. So be aware of your salt and your resources. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some of these sea salt flakes. And then of course, some extra virgin olive oil. You want really good olive oil. There you go, looks pretty. And now next is the feta cheese. I was just talking about why I like feta cheese. Some people in my family cannot have, cow's milk cheese. So we eat something that is high in protein, easier to break down, easier on our stomachs as well. And it gives it a little bit of that, salty taste anyway. So it balances out with the sweetness of the beets. I'm just gonna sprinkle it on top. You can put as little or as many as you like. I do love cheese, so I'm just gonna sprinkle a good amount on. There we go, spread it out. And that looks very pretty. It looks pretty already. It looks festive already. All right, next up, I'm just gonna clean up here. And now we have parsley, one of my favorites to just add to any meal. This is actually my dad's parsley from the garden. Of course, when you grow something yourself, right, it's always best. It's, it's coming from a good source, especially if you grow it in your own backyard. But remember, with parsley, cilantro, both doing the same thing, it also helps get rid of heavy metals. So, of course, throughout the years, right, whether it's the air that we're breathing in or drinking bad water, there's always some traces of heavy metals that our body holds on to. So it's very important to incorporate these herbs that help detox the body. And then you kind of just sprinkle it on, just like that. It actually looks really pretty. As little as, or as much as you'd like. And as you can see here, I'm just gonna put a little bit more extra virgin olive oil. And this is something that you can share with your family during the holidays. It looks very pretty. Not only does it look pretty, but it's very healthy as well. And remember, you always want to stick to nutrient-dense foods during the holidays. Keep yourself healthy, keep yourself feeling good, and enjoy it all at the same time.